In this video, I'm going to show you how you can save your Canva presentation as a PowerPoint file. So here's what you need to do. So first go to Canva and then find your presentation, whether that be in your projects here, or you can just go ahead and search for presentation, and then you can find it in your projects or start a new one from a template. So I'm just going to go ahead and open up this one, and we're going to export this one as a PowerPoint file. Now we can go ahead and click on share in the top right hand corner, and then once you've done that, go ahead and scroll down until you see download. Once you click on that, you can then go to the file type. You can then change the file type to PPTX. Now that will download this presentation in the PowerPoint file type, but it's important to note that animations won't play. So if you're happy with that, save the download settings, then go ahead and click on download, and it will download as a PowerPoint presentation. Now if you wanted to download this with the animations, go ahead and click share, go to download, and if you change the file type to MP4, that's pretty much the best you're going to get. So download as an MP4 and click download, and now you've got two different options. So I'll show you once these have finished downloading. Okay, so now you can see both of these files have downloaded. We've got the PowerPoint presentation, which we can open. And here is this presentation in PowerPoint. Obviously it's extracted without the animations. Then you've also got the presentation with the animations, but this is now turned into an MP4 file. So those are two ways you can do it. I hope that quick video did help you out.